This video I'll show you how to operate the washing machine. Put in all the clothes, close the door, push it to shut. Switch this to 20 degrees cotton. This is the marking. Off. The first grade is 20 degrees cotton, and it will take 2 hours 50 minutes. This time is not really that long. The washing machine will automatically cut down the washing time according how dirty the clothes are. This is where you will put your detergent. This compartment is this compartment on the left. Take one scoop, about this much, put it into this compartment. Close the drawer, and over here is a finger touch, just like your phone. You touch on this part here. Okay, so when it's washing, it will have a lock, and this indicator is showing you it's washing. Lock, washing. So the washing machine now will spin. According to the instruction, 20 degrees cotton will have the most 8 kg. This washing machine is 8 kg, that means it's a full load. But do not pack everything in. When you wash, the clothes needs space to spin and drop, spin and drop, spin and drop. So the time is 2 hours 15 minutes. You can set a timer, but it will be definitely faster than 2 hours 15 minutes. Sometimes it takes only 1 hour wash. So you have to hear for the alarm. When the washing machines finish the cycle, it will have an alarm for about 2 or 3 times the most. And after that, you'll be left there. So do not leave the clothes there for a long time after washing. You'll become smelly after that. See, the water goes in now. So when it's locked and washing, you will know that you can walk away after that until it is finished. Enjoy the washing machine. Thank you.